What up, YouTube? It's your boy MB in the place to be. Back with my boy Josh, door panel. Got it saying, damn, this how the speaker's gonna sit in there. Give y'all a couple videos, give y'all a couple updates all in one. And this how that's gonna fit. Same time, I'm doing this motorcycle. 79 gold wing. My boy Sean. Right there, right there. Got some more rims for sale. Anybody looking for some more rims for 22s? Alright, now let me show y'all these pieces that I painted already at the shop. Old school still right there. Sky. Check it out, YouTube. Pieces I painted at the shop already. For that motorcycle. No wet sand, no buff. All the pieces right here. Red flakes in there. He just came back from the shop. I'll catch y'all on the next one. When I do the whole bike.